Hey everyone, welcome back to Amazon Update Tech. If you're looking for an affordable smartphone with great features, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out the Moto G 2025, unlocked, made for US, with 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, and a 50MP camera in the stunning forest gray color. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Moto G 2025 feels sleek, with a premium finish in forest gray. Inside, you get the phone, a USB-C charging cable, a SIM tool, and a quick start guide. Pretty standard, but let's talk about what really matters, the features. This phone comes with a 6.6-inch HD display, giving you vibrant colors and a smooth viewing experience. Whether you're watching Netflix, scrolling through Instagram, or gaming, it handles it all pretty well. Under the hood, we have 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is expandable up to 1TB with a microSD card, so plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. And with a MediaTek processor, the performance is decent for everyday tasks. The 50MP camera is definitely a highlight. With quad-pixel technology, it captures crisp and detailed shots, even in low light. Plus, there's a 2MP depth sensor for better portrait shots. On the front, you get an 8MP selfie camera, perfect for social media snaps. Now, let's talk battery. The Moto G 2025 packs a 5000 mAh battery, giving you all-day power. Whether you're texting, gaming, or streaming, you won't need to worry about running out of juice, and the best part? It's unlocked and made for the US, meaning it works with major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. So, no restrictions, just plug in your SIM, and you're good to go. So, is the Moto G 2025 worth it? If you want a budget-friendly smartphone with a solid camera, expandable storage, and long battery life, this is definitely a great option. If you're interested, grab yours using the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. See you in the next one.